Go ahead, AJ.
I'm racing. Oh, you're racing now. You want me to race up the hill? Okay, we're going to go around the house.
Oh, Mose, go ahead.
Go.
Kid's 3 years old. Amazing. Oh, good job catching it. Come on, I want to see you get it in. Yeah, oh, Mose. How old is he, Jennifer? 3 years old. And how long has he been dribbling?
Like 1.
Oh, yes, he got it in. Yeah. Nice. AJ, come here. Come close. Come here. Dribble it over here to me. Come here. Dribble it fast. Come here. AJ, dribble it fast. Come here. Yes, 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 yes. And shoot. Yeah. Oh, Mose.
Daddy, my pencil went off. Jennifer, you splashed
AJ,
water
come
on
here.
me. Sorry.
Come here. Come here. AJ.
Again.
Incredible.